So I've got this cable that goes to the stepper motor that I can see here. Just undoing the cable off of these little mounts. That goes to this stepper here. But there's another cable here which also must go to another stepper motor because it's the same kind, and there's two stepper motor controllers on the board. I can't see it right now. It's probably buried under here somewhere. But it's definitely there. So we'll find it as we start digging in, I guess. Anyway, I'll dig some more and keep you updated. So it just looks like a few screws, and we're able to remove this entire assembly out of the printer, which is nice and easy. So it's got the one stepper motor on the end of it right there. This whole assembly's now come out, which is great. Let me just zoom that out a little bit. So this whole assembly just came out in one unit, which is nice, and that's one of the steppers we want down here. So there's not much use on other bits and pieces on here. A lot of plastic and springs, which would be good to keep. Maybe a few of the gear pieces might be worthwhile trying to salvage, but I don't think there's too much usable here. Anyway, let's keep going. So at the back there was just, I guess I got a bunch of different springs, and like I say, because I'm doing a bunch of 3D projects, 3D printing projects and things, gonna eventually be making a whole bunch of different things, then sometimes having some springs and things to help with that might be useful. So starting a little collection, various types of springs, I got the stepper motor out and I just kept the gears that came with it for the moment. Might be useful, probably may not be. It's got one little gear tooth motor here with a bigger gear down on here, but it is a stepper motor, so I'm sure we'll find a use for that. So the head itself just comes out. So this is really good to me. I don't know if there's another or the head itself, even if I want to keep this as a to me, so and start pulling this apart so we can get rid of the crap. I'm trying to get metal off things so that it can be recycled easily as well as we go. That way you got just put in plastic recycle, not have to worry about it. This has tabs to pull apart. So let's see what we can get here. That might be easier. Sometimes you're not trying to keep the thing, we're forcing things. I'm trying to show you how metal it is. Let's go first here. Alright, a piece of round metal. That could be useful for something. Figure out how to get it out. Like little catches here. Okay, managed to pry one end off, so that rod will just, I think, slide out. It's ground steel. I don't know whether it's going to be any good for anything.